Greetings from Texas. This video is for my friends on social media who are following me on my Rue Tackleberry page or on my Outdoor Adventures with Rue page on YouTube as well. So at this point, I'm tempted, very, very tempted to kind of burst into song and, so long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, adieu to you and you and no. I don't have the voice for it, I don't have the legs for it, I don't have the time for it, and neither do you. But this is me kind of signing off, really. I'm going to leave these pages up because they've got photographs and movies on here that I can't replace and that I don't have access to other than via social media. And I want to leave them up for you to kind of look at and view as well. But I'm not going to be logging into these pages anymore, so if you leave me messages, I'm not going to get them because life has moved on. And it's now 2018. I lost my shop earlier this year, so Tackleberry's is gone. I don't need a Rue Tackleberry profile because that's just not the reality of my life. For those of you that want to follow me, and this is kind of my message to you, if you want to keep in touch and follow me, I don't want to lose track of you guys. I've made some really, really super friends here in Texas, and I don't want to lose track of you, and I don't want you not to be able to kind of follow what I'm up to. So I have a profile, Rupert Ellis, and that is kind of that's still got all my kind of gun stuff on. I'm still a licensed to carry instructor, and long may that reign. I've had guns in my life, kind of all my life, and hopefully I always will have. So that page will stay up, but more importantly, I now have a garden business. So Rupert Gardener is my Facebook profile. That's the one I use. And if you'd like to kind of add me as a friend, it would be great. It'd be great to keep in touch. So please feel free to follow me on that. In terms of YouTube, the Outdoors Adventures with Rue page, that's going to continue because it's got kind of video footage from all around the world, from all the years that I was hot-footing it all around the globe, and I can't replace them. I haven't got access to them other than on YouTube, so that's going to stay. But if you leave me a message on there, I'm not going to get it because life has moved on. I have a gardening page on there now, and TXGARDEN, Texas Garden, is my business. So if you look on YouTube for TXGARDEN, Texas Garden has its own page, and if you want to follow me, that's fantastic, and I welcome you, I invite you to do that. And if gardening isn't your bag, I get that too. What can I say? There's no point me holding on to the past and kidding myself that I'm going to have another shop. I'm going to have, I'm not. I'm really happy in my little life here. I'm married, happily married to Misty. We've been married to we've been together, 5 years, and I love my little life here in Texas. So for those of you who have followed me, thank you. For those of you who have and continue to support me, I love you for that. It makes my heart sing. But this is me kind of signing off one last time and wishing you all the very best. I love you. Best regards from Texas.